would you mind sharing with us a little bit about what happens when we get into a cold environment on purpose and what happens when we get into a hot environment on purpose?
Let's take a step back. And I think you brought up a really important point here. We evolved to intermittently challenge ourselves. And before we had Instacart, where you could basically just get your food delivered to you, we were out hunting, gathering, we were moving, and we had to be physically fit. You couldn't, catch your prey if you were a sedentary slob, right? Physical activity was a part of everyday life. And caloric restriction or intermittent fasting was also a part of it. This is another type of challenge. We didn't always, have a prey that we caught, or maybe temperatures were such that, there was nothing for us to gather, right? So food scarcity was something common, as well as eating plants. So getting these compounds that I mentioned. So these are all types of stress, intermittent challenges that activate genetic pathways in our bodies. These are often referred to in science as stress response pathways because they respond to a little bit of stress.